This video will introduce the concept of acid-base balance within the body. This video does not go into detail of disease conditions. The information presented assumes all body systems are working properly. It is very important that the arterial blood maintains a pH range that stays between 7.35 and 7.45, which is slightly alkaline. A pH value of 7.0 is considered neutral. As the number of hydrogen ions increase, the more acidic a solution becomes, resulting in a lower pH value. If this value drops below 7.35, acidosis begins to occur. When the number of hydrogen ions decrease, the pH number goes up. The solution becomes more alkaline, and if it surpasses 7.45, alkalosis begins to occur. To control pH, the hydrogen ion concentration within the blood must be tightly regulated, and the body in this case has three ways to maintain homeostasis. Intracellular buffers and buffers found within the blood usually respond first, then the lungs, and ultimately the kidneys will pitch in to help compensate for any imbalance. Phosphates and other intracellular buffers, as well as blood buffers such as bicarbonate and carbonic acid, are the first line of defense against any changes in pH, acting immediately as a number of hydrogen ions rise or fall. It is important to note that buffering does not eliminate the hydrogen ions from the body. It is a chemical reaction that removes or releases hydrogen ions to maintain proper pH level. If changes in hydrogen ions within the body continue to increase or decrease past the point of the body's ability to buffer, the lungs help regulate the elimination or retention of acidic CO2, depending upon what the body requires to maintain homeostasis. Hyperventilation would eliminate more CO2. Hypoventilation would help retain CO2. The buffering capability response time of the lungs is slower than that of the chemical buffers, usually taking minutes before it becomes effective. The final mechanism, which is also the slowest mechanism, taking hours or even days for its full potential to be seen, occurs within the kidneys. The kidneys regulate hydrogen ions through urinary output of excess or via the generation of new bicarbonate. The next video will go into more detail regarding what can occur when pH falls outside of the healthy range.